Last time we shared the start of our kitchen transformation with a little bit of our inspiration, our kitchen island build out, as well as our tiling and open shelving projects. Now we'll be sharing with you the build out of our open pantry wall and our coffee and cocktail bar. So let's get to it. All right, I have an early morning task this morning of painting, and I'm getting this done before work, and it's turning out to be a long project. Jam said he predicted 2 hours. I'm in it for maybe like 30 minutes. So probably not gonna finish this on my own, so I'm gonna pass the torch to JM when I go to work, but looking good. I'm pretty excited about it. We are in the process of finishing up all of our painting, and one of the things that we're painting is our dishwasher. We decided to just try to use it. It's a nice dishwasher and we didn't really want to waste money on a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and try to paint it the same color that we painted the range hood, matte white. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning of it, and then I'm gonna paint it with a primer and then paint it with a matte white paint. projects. I am going to be spray foaming today. I'm spray foaming all of the cracks on the roof, and also anything I see, I guess, on the walls. Jam just said basically anywhere I see daylight I should fill it in with this stuff. So I've never really done this before, but it looks pretty easy. And you just like put this thing upside down and then spray it in there, and then it expands, and then it protects us from getting any like dirt or bugs inside, and then obviously on the roof it'll protect us from any weather. Hopefully I can power through this and get it done in the next couple hours, because I have plenty of other projects to get to today as well. Getting really good at this. Great, next task, I am putting the insulation into all of the walls. We had pulled out all of the insulation from the original walls and we're reusing it. So I'm cutting it up and I'll be putting it all in these walls. A pretty eclectic style and love a lot of character, so we're mixing in a lot of old with new, and the kitchen was our perfect opportunity with that. For the coffee and cocktail bar, we ended up reusing the kitchen island that came with the house, and JM basically took it apart to make it fit. And then built the bar top using the same wood that was used on the kitchen pantry and the shelf, which was actually wood taken down from our original bathroom wall in the garage, which will eventually be our master bath. got the bar top on this little coffee and beverage bar. And up next, we are going to be putting the final touches on the tile, finishing the grout, doing all the caulk, and then also finishing up some of our painting. And eventually we will be adding a shelf above the tile so that we can put all of our alcohol and coffee and whatnot. So the last thing we'll need to do here too, we're gonna change the hardware on this base so that it matches with the cabinets back here. We're undecided on what color we wanna do. We're between brushed bronze and this dark, but we're kinda liking the dark. So more to come with that. A decision for another day. Now that we're done with the pantry walls, I'm going to be filling it today with all of our spices and our canned goods and everything else. We had got a bunch of these baskets at World Market, and we will be filling those and just getting it organized so that we can start using it.